Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Fixit Sticks is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic, a weekend DIY enthusiast, or just someone who likes to tinker, these sticks are designed to make your life easier. They're perfect for a wide range of tasks, from simple repairs to more complex maintenance projects. So, if you're looking for a reliable and handy tool, you're in the right place. Number 5. Fixit Sticks All-in-One Torque Driver Tool Kit. This tool kit ensures accurate tightening of your scope rings and other components. It allows you to achieve the correct torque, whether you're in the field or at home. With this lightweight and compact driver, you can avoid over or under tightening. This helps to maximize the performance of your equipment. Adjusting the torque is simple. Just align the hash mark with the desired torque value. This feature makes it easy to use. The driver accepts standard 1/4-inch bits and works with any standard 1/4-inch driver. This provides you with great flexibility. The kit includes a zippered case for easy storage and transport. It keeps everything organized and protected. What we like. This kit offers precise torque control, ensuring you never over-tighten your components. It's compatible with standard bits, making it versatile for various tasks. If you're looking for a reliable tool to maintain your firearms or optics with precision, you should consider this one. What people say. I have other options, but this kit is compact and just seems to have everything needed. It is also accurate. Man, I use this thing probably 2x a month on various AR or pistol projects. Works great. Very good for rifle scope assembly and rifle adjustments, etc. Number 4. Fixit Sticks T-Way Wrench, EDC Tool. This ratcheting T-Way wrench is designed for various tasks. It's perfect for building bikes, furniture, motorcycles, and more. It's a versatile tool for home, shop, or auto use. The T-Way wrench features a ratcheting mechanism. This allows for very fast and smooth engagement. It makes your work more efficient. The wrench has magnetic holders on all three ends. These holders accept any standard 1/4 bit. The reversible ratchet allows for quick tightening and loosening, even in tight spaces. It features a spring-loaded magnetic locking collar. This collar holds hex bits securely in place. This T-Way wrench also pairs well with cleaning rod systems. This tool is pocket-friendly and has interchangeable bits. The faster ratcheting mechanism speeds up everyday tasks. It provides plenty of reach, leverage, and flexibility. What we like. The ratcheting feature speeds up your work, making it perfect for quick adjustments. Its compact size and interchangeable bits make it a versatile EDC tool. If you like a tool that's easy to carry and use for various tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The first thing I noticed was the quality plating job on the tool finish. The fine-tooth ratchet mechanism is really very impressive. The lever to change directions works perfectly and smoothly. I really like this design for how compact it is. It fits well on my belt pouch and is always on hand. Good build quality and simple design make it easy to toggle. I started building some few projects and thought I was tightening things correctly. I really was not. The ability to dial in your torque correctly makes your mounts and build safer and more accurate. The T-handle is fairly comfortable, especially for its small size. Number 3. Fixit Sticks Torque Driver Kit and T-Way Wrench. This kit is designed for precision. It allows you to tighten components like scope rings and sight mounts to the exact torque specifications. This ensures optimal performance. Say goodbye to over or under tightening. This lightweight and compact driver ensures your components are secured perfectly. This helps to avoid damaging your equipment. Adjusting the torque is simple. Just align the hash mark with your desired torque value. It's quick and easy to set up, providing accurate results. The driver is compatible with standard 1/4-inch bits and drivers. This gives you flexibility with the tools you already own. It's a versatile addition to your toolkit. This custom bundle includes the all-in-one torque driver kit and the locking hex ratcheting T-Way wrench. This combination provides everything you need. It's the ultimate solution for your needs. What we like. This combo includes the all-in-one torque driver kit and the locking hex ratcheting T-way wrench. It prevents over-tightening and offers a wide range of applications. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for both torque adjustments and general maintenance, you should consider this kit. What people say. Small and mighty, these tools are easy to carry, easy to use and to make certain things are torqued correctly. The ratchet T-handle is a real bonus with this package. This and the bits are a smaller package than just the wheeler alone. This kit is quite awesome in build quality, usefulness, simplicity, and function. Having the T-handle allows a precise feel and the ability to apply as much torque as needed with minimal effort. Also due to the design it'd be difficult to over-torque for typical use. In this kit the ratcheting T-handle was included and the thing simply rocks. Wanted a low-profile ratcheting driver for tight spaces and it fits the bill quite well. Number 2. Fixit Sticks The Works Gun Maintenance Kit. This is a highly modular multi-tool system. It features a variety of specialty gun tools and torque limiters, along with standard 1/4 bits. This makes it versatile for various gun maintenance tasks. The T-handle design gives you the best of both worlds. It provides shop-level functionality while remaining lightweight and portable. This allows you to be prepared for maintenance at the range or in the field. This kit combines all gun care accessory bits and parts into one convenient package. It's easy to carry and simple to use. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. This kit contains numerous bits and accessories. They are designed to help you maintain your gun and tighten optics and parts to the correct torque. It's a comprehensive solution for gun care. The kit comes with a soft carrying case. It has a bit holder designed to hold any bit or accessory with a standard 1/4 base. It also accommodates Fixit Sticks torque limiters and any 8 to 32 threaded component. What we like. This system offers a modular design with a T-handle for shop-level function and portability. It combines all gun care accessories into one easy-to-use kit. If you need a comprehensive and adaptable tool for gun maintenance, this is the one for you. What people say. All the tools that you need for weapons maintenance, a must-have. The kit has several model-specific tools, a 1911 bushing wrench, 3 different AR cleaning tools, a Glock front sight tool. It also has a cleaning brush, a small cleaning rod, enough for pistol barrels, a choke tool and a general-purpose chisel. The big bonus is the torque drive. It measures in inch-pounds and goes up to 65 in pound. Getting accurate torque specs on rifle scope rings and mounts has always been the greatest hassle for me. This makes simple work of an otherwise picky task. Best yet is that the array of bits is well suited to the general sizes for scopes and rings along with various stock bolts, both in hex and torque sizes. Number 1. Fixit Sticks Fissils 11 T Torque Limiter Kit. This Fixit Sticks kit is perfect for making quick adjustments in the field. It comes in a zippered easy entry pouch, making it convenient to use anywhere. This kit is compact but contains everything you need. It includes 4 torque limiters, a T-way wrench, and 16 different bits, making it a versatile tool. With this kit, you'll never have to worry about over-tightening again. Each torque limiter delivers an audible click, ensuring precise and careful adjustments. The kit is kept neatly in a handy zippered deluxe case. It's compact enough to fit in your range bag, keeping everything organized and easy to access. This compact and easy-to-carry kit is a must-have for any gun owner. It's perfect for tightening scope mounts and action screws, whether you're at the range, at home, or on the road. What we like. This kit includes miniature torque limiters and a T-way wrench, perfect for field adjustments. The audible click ensures precise torque application. If you often work in the field and need a compact, easy-to-carry kit for precise adjustments, you should consider this. What people say. The compact design fits easily into my range bag, but don't let the size fool you, this thing is tough and incredibly versatile. The torque limiters are especially handy for working on optics without over-tightening. The quality of the bits and the tool itself is top-notch, nothing feels cheap or flimsy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.